Hey guys, saw a couple of videos on using batteries for welding, car batteries to do some temporary welding. Had a spot on my camper trailer I needed to get fixed, so I thought I'd try that without going out and spending a bunch of money on buying a welder. Well, none of the videos talk about how dangerous this stuff is. They say it can be. Well, here is the danger. It absolutely exploded this battery. And I think the reason why is because probably this battery didn't have enough fluids in it to handle it. And that's the problem with doing this experiment with sealed batteries, is you have no idea how much liquid is in them. And as soon as, the second I touched it, that battery exploded right next to my ear. And the reason I mentioned the fluids is because hardly any fluids even come out of this thing onto the ground. Well, top off your batteries before you try this.